Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, if you've been searching for the best white cement for craft projects, you're about to discover a game changer. The product we're exploring is called CAST casting powder. After going through its specifications and features, it's clear that this material isn't just regular plaster powder. It's designed specifically for artists, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone working with silicone molds who wants a smooth, bubble-free, bright white finish. So let's get into what makes this casting powder stand out. First, the whiteness and finish are impressive. A lot of casting powders leave a dull or grainy finish, but this one cures super white and super smooth. That instantly gives your craft a professional, polished look, even before painting or decorating. The surface detail is sharp and refined, which means if you're casting textures, ornaments, or figures, they come out clean and defined. It's a big win for anyone creating decor, jewelry trays, figurines, candle holders, or personalized gifts. Another huge benefit is the density and hardness. Unlike many basic plaster powders, Cast D creates a very strong final product. After curing, it feels solid and durable, not chalky or fragile. This allows you to make pieces that can be used daily, like coasters or organizational trays. It also means your casts are less likely to chip, especially around delicate edges or fine mold details. Now let's talk about working with the material. The mixing ratio is simple and consistent, 10 parts powder to 3 parts water. That means for every 100 grams of powder, you'll need about 30 grams of water. Once mixed, the powder turns into a smooth, fluid batter that pours easily into silicone molds. Because of its formulation, the mixture settles nicely and removes most of its own bubbles. So you won't have to spend time aggressively tapping or shaking your mold. One of the standout advantages of this casting powder is its drying time. You only need around 30 minutes before demolding in most cases, although larger molds may require extra time. This short wait makes the crafting process much faster, especially if you're batching small items or testing designs. After demolding, the piece can be sanded, painted, or even combined with other materials like epoxy resin, mica powder, pigments, or metallic flakes to create stunning effects. A great detail worth mentioning is that this product is odorless and non-toxic. That makes it beginner-friendly and suitable for indoor use without strong fumes or irritation. Whether you're crafting at home, in a studio, or working on projects with beginners, kids, or clients, it keeps the workspace safe and pleasant. In terms of creative potential, Cast D casting powder opens a lot of doors. It's perfect for making decor items, ornaments, statues, planters, miniature sculptures, themed gifts, or even experimental mixed media pieces. You can tint it directly during mixing or paint it after it's fully cured. The surface takes acrylics, varnishes, metallic paints, and sealants beautifully. So, after reviewing its quality, usability, and versatility, Cast D casting powder earns a solid recommendation for anyone looking to upgrade their craft materials. Whether you're a hobbyist or a seller making handmade products, this material can help you achieve professional-level detail and finish with minimal effort. If you enjoyed this review and want more product breakdowns before you buy, make sure to subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.